Hot runners, the unsung heroes of plastic injection molding. These systems are the veins and arteries of the process. They keep the molten plastic flowing smoothly. Without them, you get clogs, defects, and a whole lot of wasted plastic. That's bad news for business and for the planet. The focus of today is a key component in a hot runner system, the nozzle heater, and it's got an important job. These heaters need to maintain precise temperatures. They have to withstand incredible pressure. And they achieve this to keep systems operating smoothly and without failure. That's where Imperium Brass comes in, a relatively recent material gaining traction amongst plastic injection molding manufacturers. This stuff is engineered for extreme conditions. The right heater makes all the difference. It's the difference between a perfect part or a pile of scrap. It's the difference between efficiency and waste. It's the difference between plastic manufacturing making money and losing it. Imperium Brass is a game changer in hot runner system technology. Today, we'll explain the various benefits, and remember to visit polymercleaning.com to discuss your hot runner system needs. Imperium Brass Nozzle Heaters can be manufactured for any hot runner make and model. Let's dive in. This is a high-performance alloy. It's engineered for the toughest injection molding jobs. We're talking about extreme temperatures, high pressure, and constant use. What makes Imperium Brass so special? It's all about the properties. This stuff has got it all. Superior thermal conductivity, exceptional durability, and it's built to last. That means less downtime, more production, more money in your pocket. This is the future of hot runner technology. It's time to ditch the old materials. Step into the future with Imperium Brass. So how does Imperium Brass stack up against the competition? Let's talk about steel. Yeah, it's tough, but it's also slow. Steel doesn't conduct heat as well. That means it takes longer to heat up, and it wastes energy. That's money down the drain. Now let's look at ceramics. They're good at handling heat, but they're brittle. One wrong move and they crack. That's a recipe for disaster and a costly repair. Imperium Brass beats them both. It's got the thermal conductivity of copper, the strength of steel, and it's more resistant to thermal fatigue than ceramics. This is the trifecta of hot runner materials. Section 4. Thermal uniformity and precise fit-up. The Imperium Brass advantage. Thermal uniformity is key in injection molding. You need consistent heat across the entire part. Otherwise, you get warping, sink marks, and other defects. That's where Imperium Brass shines. Its superior thermal conductivity ensures even heat distribution. But it's not just about heat. It's about fit. Imperium Brass can be machined to incredibly tight tolerances. That means a precise fit-up in the hot runner system. No leaks, no pressure drops, just pure molten plastic flowing exactly where it needs to go. This ain't rocket science, folks. It's better materials, better performance, better results. Section 5. High watt density and higher operating temperatures. Pushing the limits. Need to crank up the heat? No problem. Imperium Brass can handle it. It's got a higher watt density than steel. That means you can pack more heating power into a smaller space. This is crucial for high volume production and for those really tough to mold plastics. And let's talk about operating temperatures. Imperium Brass can handle the heat. We're talking about temperatures that would make steel sweat. This opens up a world of possibilities for molding high-performance plastics. This is what pushing the limits looks like. This is what innovation looks like. This is Imperium Brass. Section 6. Real-world results. Imperium Brass in action. Don't just take my word for it. Imperium Brass is already making waves in the real world. Companies are switching over and seeing the results. We're talking about faster cycle times, reduced energy consumption, and higher quality parts. One company, a manufacturer of medical devices, switched to Imperium Brass. They saw a 15% increase in production, their scrap rate plummeted, and their energy bills went down. That's what I call a win-win-win. These aren't just stories. They're proof that Imperium Brass is the real deal. Section 7. The future is brass, long-term benefits, and strategic advantages. The future of injection molding is here, and it's made of Imperium Brass. This material is a game changer. It's more than just a heater. It's a strategic advantage. Choosing Imperium Brass is an investment in efficiency, in quality, in the future of your business. It's time to ditch the old and embrace the new. The future is here, and it's brass.